Now, the price of cryptocurrency across the board is still extremely low, but it could go lower. I've got a lot of people asking whether or not this is the dip that we should be buying, whether or not this is the bottom. Is it time to load up on Shiba Inu coin? Is it time to load up on Ethereum? Is it time to load up on, insert the name of the cryptocurrency you want there? Is it time to load up is the question. And I absolutely believe that prices could continue to move lower, other than this being the bottom. And I want to discuss why, okay? Because, yes, dollar cost averaging down is a great idea, but still some people have the concept or the idea out there that they can time the bottom perfectly. It's going to be extremely difficult, but I do think that we are providing ourselves with major opportunities to stack up on the coins that we believe in for long-term growth. So we're going to discuss it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then if you want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well. Guys, why do I say this may not be the bottom? Now, Bitcoin is currently sitting around that $28,000 level, still below the multi-year level of support at $30,000. Shiba Inu coin, ready to add another zero right now, sitting in the 1,000 point per coin range, losing over 50% from where it was last week. Guys, if you've seen Luna Terra today, the blockchain is halted. It's sitting at a penny. It was at $119 last week. Now, it may be the bottom for Luna Terra, okay? I'm not going to lie. It may be the bottom for that one. That project is basically lost everything at this point, but it may recover. I can do a video on that one if you guys want. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want a video on Luna Terra out there, but lottery ticket play on that one. So talking about these other coins and talking about why the bottom may not be hit yet. Simply, there are so many factors facing the market that would, I guess, be pointing in a downward direction, in a bearish direction for cryptocurrency, that just because prices are seen at extreme lows right now and they are bouncing doesn't mean that that's a bottom. So let's look at that. If bargain hunting took place when Bitcoin hit 25,000 and Shiba hit 800 and Ethereum hit, I think, like 1,700 and Solana hit 35, and all of these coins were major discounts, and the only reason they bounced was because bargain hunters went in and bought up cheap discounts, that's not sustainable. Okay, that's not a sustainable gain. What we need to look at is the overall market conditions that are affecting Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana and Luna. Luna's a different story. And all of these other coins that are out there before we can really gauge whether or not the market sentiment is conducive to long-term growth. Now, one of the most recent and, in my opinion, most bizarre ideas that's out there affecting the market is Coinbase. Now, I just did a video on Coinbase and whether or not you should think about leaving the platform and things like that, but talking about bankruptcy, one, that's strange, but two, mentioning the fact that you could not even be considered a client, but instead an unsecured general creditor. I mean, that is wild to think. They have access to all of your funds whenever they want them, and all they have to do is file bankruptcy, and the $256 billion that is sitting in Coinbase accounts right now would be theirs. That's wild to think that they would even mention that, and I believe they're a self-fulfilling prophecy at this point that people will be leaving that platform simply based on the statement that they made. So that's wild, and it's almost assuming that the cryptocurrency market is going to get worse. I mean, why think of bankruptcy unless you're thinking of declining user bases, declining prices, and so on? So Coinbase kind of self-prophesying over there. You've got overall market conditions like interest rates and inflation. Interest rates and inflation rising is good for safe assets like bonds and banks, but it's bad for risky assets like stocks and crypto. So as the overall economy is, I guess, at this point, devastated by rising interest rates and rising inflation rates, cryptocurrency and stocks are going to get hit as well. So unless something changes there, yes, I would say expect Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of those to continue falling based on that news. Any sort of political uncertainty, and we've got a lot of it right now. Whether you're looking here in the US, whether you're looking at Russia, whether you're looking at what's going on in China, there's a lot of political uncertainty. And that always leads people to flock to safer assets. So until that changes, I wouldn't expect much of a bullish sentiment for the overall cryptocurrency market, especially even riskier coins, like crypto or like Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin and the meme coins that are out there. If you're looking at potential lockdown cases, China leading the way in that one, man, locking people down for who knows why, and that does affect supply chains, which affects the overall economy, which comes back into how much people are willing to invest in risky assets like cryptocurrency. So until all of these market factors are really resolved, it's going to be difficult to say we've reached a bottom. In order to do that, if all of these market factors affecting crypto and affecting Shiba and affecting Bitcoin and affecting, Ethereum, if they're still going on and you expect a bull market, what has to happen is the prices have to be so cheap that investors, not gamblers, but investors are willing to risk market conditions because the prices are so darn cheap that they have to buy, and they have to buy now. Now, I'm not going to lie. When Bitcoin hit 25,000, we did see a lot of people flowing in to buy Bitcoin. We saw a lot of people flowing in to buy Ethereum. We saw a lot of people flowing in to, especially buy ApeCoin. We saw a lot of people flowing in to buy Shiba Inu coin. It did seem cheap, but it's still, the downward pressure is still on, and these levels may not be sustainable in the short term. I have to emphasize that because, guys, if you believe in the future of digital assets and cryptocurrencies, I do, you have to ask yourself if you do as well. If you believe in the future of the coins that you want to buy, now is the time to consider, where do I load up? Do I dollar cost average in? Do I buy? Do I miss this opportunity again like I've done so many times in the past? Now is potentially a life-changing opportunity to load up on cryptocurrency if and only if you believe in its long-term future. Because short-term, things could get ugly and really move lower before they turn around. But I want to know what you guys think. That's what I think. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below you guys' thoughts on this current bear market that we're in, how long it's going to last, and how low it's going to go. And let us know down there in the comments if this button right here is still red. Make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got Webull, Binance, GeminiCrypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.